Today, I'm making 10 dishes in this one wok for Chinese New Year for my family. I show you guys how to eat this chicken feet. Look.
That one.
Yeah, that's a portion. What's the number? If you have a wok, you can do this, save your time, and efficient. Let's do this. First, we'll prepare all the vegetable ingredients, like this garlic. I chop all the garlic, green onions, some chili pepper, everything's ready. I wash some vegetables, put on the side. This is the pork belly. I just gonna cut them in bigger chunks because they're gonna cook in the pot for a long time. Probably about an hour. Hot wok, I always say cold oil. When it's hot, ginger, lots of green onions, and garlic. Stir fry fast, get the fragrance out. Pork belly in, and the beef, both in here. It's a lot of meat. Gonna brown the meat, get the meat and the spices in. It's a big chunks because we are going to cook this for a long time. Remember turning all the sides. Now add water, making a huge pot of soup. Look at the meat, it's very brown outside. Enough water to cover the meat. First one is the Napa cabbage. This only needs to cook like 5 minutes. While the cabbage is cooking, make a little quick 2-minute sauce for the cabbage. Soy sauce, oyster sauce. It's a garlic flavor sauce, 蒜蓉酱. So it needs a lot of garlic. If you want it spicy, some 小米椒, the chili pepper. CookingBomb chili sauce. This will be back in stock soon. Check out my website. Subscribe to be notified when this back in stock. If you are not vegan, chicken powder, or actually I have mushroom powder. Add some umami flavor. This sauce you can put on any vegetable. Oh, so good. After 5 minutes, cabbage is ready. Our first dish, cabbage with garlic sauce. Put it on the plate and then we do the sauce. Garlic sauce on top. Last step, finish your first dish. Pour some oil on top. Ooh, smells so good. First one's done. Frozen imitation crab and tofu, fish balls, shrimp. You can get those at Asian market. Then put on the skewers. Very easy. Put your skewers, your BoboJi, but this one is the seafood BoboJi. Look at this whole pot, save you time. Cook everything almost the same time. And the sausage. Now our seafood on the skewer is ready. Take them out. Becomes so big. Now cook the sausage a little longer. Then we're gonna make this sauce for BoboJi. We take some of the soup. You need chili oil for this BoboJi. You can make your own chili sauce or CookingBomb chili sauce. I love these red oil. Also the sauce has fermented beans in here. Look at that. Green onions, soy sauce. If you know me, I measure with my Chinese eyeballs. Vinegar. This dish I like a little bit sour. Spicy sour. Chicken powder and a little bit salt. Sugar to balance the taste. Lots of sesame seeds. I'll just pour over the sauce. Let this sit in the sauce. Absorb until dinner's ready. Look at the BoboJi. Another dish ready. So quick, right? This little cucumber slice is for my Chinese sausage dish. Cucumbers and tomato on the side. You're also ready. Take them out. Now we put sausage. This dish we can call it 红红火火. Need some red color for the new year. This year of snake will be a lucky year. But year of snake, my son, this year's his 本命年 is called not a good luck year. So you have to be wearing anything red. Red bracelet, red underwear, red belt to bring you good luck. In the middle. I arrange them in a little nicer shape. Whatever shape you want. 红红火火. We got another dish done. Here is still the same wok boiling. Next one, potato noodles. Let's put it in here. Those only need to cook about 5 minutes after you soak them in the water for 20 minutes. Here the sauce for the spicy sour noodles. Some garlic. Always. Soy sauce. Vinegar. I have to say again, CookingBomb chili sauce again. I use this in a lot of my recipes. Sugar to balance the taste, some sesame oil, and shrimp peppercorn oil. Set on the side. Potato noodles are ready. Put them in the sauce you already prepared. Oh, so long. We sprinkle some cilantro and peanuts. Look, mixed together, you have another dish down. Ooh, these are so long and so slippery. Keep cooking. Now we marinate the meatballs. Ground pork with 1 egg. Here is about 1 pound of ground pork, cornstarch, some soy sauce, cooking wine, chopped ginger in the ground pork. Now mix with your chopsticks. One direction, don't go back. So the meat texture is very tender, smooth. Okay, and I'm being efficient, so we can also make the meatballs too. Use a spoon. Just make meatball in hand. Doesn't have to be perfect. Scoop some out, put on the hand, turning, 1, 2, it's ready. Can make a dozen meatballs in 2 minutes. While the meatball's cooking, add some pea tips. Those only cook like 30 seconds. Great with meatballs. Another dish is ready, meatball soup with pea tips. We take them out. See, same pot. Take out the meatballs and some soup. To finish the soup, we add some salt to taste. And I always like some white pepper. Finish with some green onions. Meatball soup with pea tips. Next thing we're gonna prepare is the fish. So fish will score each side. I love whole fish. And for Chinese New Year, you have to eat fish. 年年有余, so that means the end of the year, you have extra money, extra everything. 鱼 means extra. Sprinkle some salt, both sides, some ginger in the belly. Also green onions here too. I like some more ginger on the top. Now this is Chinese yam, get ready. Peel them. So I have to use gloves. This is very sticky outside. Allergic to like a mucus type on the yam. Make me skin so itchy. So if you are, definitely you need to wear some cooking gloves. But I can eat this, but I just can't touch it. I'm making a dessert. So for scallops, I got some fancy shells. Those are mung bean noodles. We put on the shells. So long. Put the scallops on the noodles. Those are mung bean noodles. Oh, those are huge. So the same sauce for the cabbage is perfect for this dish. Put on top. You don't need a lot. You just need the garlicky sauce, and mostly you want to taste the scallops itself. Green onions here. This is ready. Make sure enough water. Then bring your cheap steamer. First layer. If you have one, you just do smaller dishes. Here you can do 3, but my fish is pretty big. Look at that. I put it on the bottom. Also on the bottom, I put the Chinese yam on the side. Do everything at the same time. All the seafood and fish, they steam pretty quickly. On my second layer, put the yam, close the lid. Just wait. This is ready. Steamed scallops. 蒜蓉扇贝. We're keeping the steamer, keep it warm here. After the fish steamed, we get rid of the water in there in different bowl. Put in the bigger one. On the top, we add some green onions and soy sauce. And 1 scoop, get some soup from the wok. Pour over the fish. Heat some cooking oil. Pour over. 年年有余. Here we have the yam we put in. Gonna mash them. This is the dessert. For the yam, just mash it. These are Persimmon Jam I made. You can use any jam. If you wanna know how to make this, link down below to my recipe. So you're gonna get this out. Okay, with my hands and make a nicer shape. For the kids, I sprinkle some sugar and jam. You can use any jam. Homemade jam, always better. And my jam is kind of a chunky, a lot of texture in there. Also, you can drizzle some honey as well. Okay, dessert's ready. 山药糕. Next, we keep cooking. Red braise all the beef and the pork. So we're gonna add seasoning. Add some more cooking wine, light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Add some color. Oh, the dry ingredients, you can put it in a little spice bag. I just put them in, like bay leaves and some star anise and Sichuan peppercorn, dried chili peppers, add some more ginger, and our big green onions, rock sugar. Ooh, this is gonna be another 15 minutes, we'll be done. So now, we're gonna re-braise this, add your chicken feet. You can add anything, chicken liver, anything you like. Say if my kid's gonna eat this and my husband. For the beef, I slice the beef. Actually, it's a cold dish. Can let it cool on the side. Now we add the chicken feet to the beef. This 卤味拼盘 is done. So you can eat just like this. It's a lot of flavor in here already. Or dip in a dry chili pepper mix, Sichuan peppercorn, and some salt. Put it in the middle. 卤味拼盘，红烧肉 with 莴笋 and tofu skin. Put the tofu skin and the saltas in here. I serve the whole piece. This pork already very soft. Another one. Whoa, look at the pork. Fall apart. One rib already fall off the bone. Look at that. 10 dishes done, even dessert. So we're gonna set up the table. Dishes in one wok. I think it's saving some dish time. You don't have to wash a lot of dishes. Hey, sit down, sit down.
Wow. Food's really good.
Good?
Scallops good.
Scallops good? 谁要米饭呀? That's a yam dessert with my Persimmon Jam. I just remember I have the jam here. So this is beef and chicken feet. You can dip. That's sausage. 接下来一个 chicken feet. Just a nail. Don't eat the nail. Just spit out. What do you mean, haha? Just take a bite. It's good. You don't? Oh, my son will eat this. Nobody take a chicken feet? It's a lot of gelatin. Good for your skin.
Marshmallow?
什么 marshmallow? 你看，你看，对，好吃，都不吃鸡爪子。Nobody eating.
This is my real hand.
Probably Pepper will eat this.
Probably gonna wind up eating.
See, look.
Pepper like it. 好好看，鸡爪子。
Hi.
How's that? Beef.
Very good.
I like this beef.
You like beef? Nobody's eating chicken feet. Like this beef. I know Pepper wants
I
some.
can look.
Maybe I give him some beef. I know.
Oh, this is hard.
Say something in Chinese.
恭喜发财。
红红说一个，恭喜发财。红，你要说红包拿来，那你才有红包。
发财，
红包。
拿来。
哎，好，你来。
恭喜发财，红包拿来。
We should everybody have a good fortune. Oh, I know. Can you grab that fortune? We're gonna do that fortune right there.
That one.
Right. Yeah, that's a fortune. What's the number?
9. 49. 49. Expect trouble from physical violence. No chance for your.
What's physical violence? Can you read?
Your luck for today. Today, the number 49, the fates declare is very fine. That's your luck. Your fortune. Inclined to trust to women all the secrets of your life. The fates advise you give it up and avoid much woe and strife. Don't trust women.
Oh.
Expect trouble from physical violence. No chance for your wish today. Well, that's a good point.
I told you that.
That's creepy.
Yeah, I said that year of a snake. I know.
Oh, that's a creepy one.
Wish everybody have a good fortune, good luck. 2025. We're done with the fortune, but 2025 be good for you unless you were born year of snake. You have to wear red socks, red belt, red underwear. Wish you luck. I see you next week.